Hi, welcome everybody to our mock-up demonstration. Today we're going to look at layers and smart objects and how to navigate those in Photoshop. You can see in this file we have a lot of layers on the side, a lot of adjustments, but we're going to focus on the smart objects. So let's start with t-shirt. You'll notice on that layer there's a square inside the icon. Double click it. A new window will open with your smart object ready to edit. And this is where we're going to change the color of the t-shirt on the mock-up. And we achieve this a couple of ways. First, I already put the 3 different colored t-shirts in the smart object. So you can simply tick the eye icon on the right-hand side of the layer to hide and unhide the shirts. With your desired color selected, hit Ctrl S to save, and you can leave this window open or you can close it. Now let's return to the original window. So you can see our shirt color has changed. Now, we also have some other smart objects like that fabric, and you change it just the same way as you did the t-shirt. You can also customize the background. You can choose an image, or you can choose a color, whatever you prefer. Purely customizable. Hope you guys enjoy. This is BJ Blackburn from Digital Appeal, and look forward to seeing you next time. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to help and love to hear from you guys. Take care.